A trial edition of CluedIn has just been launched in the Azure Marketplace, and it's perfect for businesses that would like to get their hands into our platform. That means you can get a zero license cost installation of CluedIn in your Azure tenant for up to 7 days. Here are some of the things you can do in the CluedIn trial version today. First, you can map any of the preloaded data into the system against a custom entity created on the user interface. Then you can search by any of the ingested properties and even watch CluedIn deduplicate records across multiple data sources. 2. After you created multiple entity types on the user interface, you will be able to plot and filter data by any of them. Third, the dataset we've loaded for you is perfect to understand how unlimited relationships between entities can be created and navigated through the user interface. Fourth, all this data you've mapped and processed can now be delivered to Microsoft SQL and other export targets we have preloaded in your solution. You will also be able to experience the granular level control that a stream configuration provides and how it can be monitored in real time. But that doesn't stop here. You'll also be able to query and even perform actions on your data using a GraphQL user interface. And finally, you will be able to see how data stewards or business domain experts can clean their data and auto-generate business rules that can get applied to future data sets. The best part is that we have prepared a few videos to guide you through each of these capabilities. Please click on the link below to watch them right away and learn how to get the most of your CluedIn trial. It's worth knowing that, as mentioned, the trial version will last for 7 days, but it will only cost you the respective Azure consumption. And as you would expect, you can terminate your instance at any point in time by just deleting the resource group you created. Now, let's see how you can get started with only 2 steps. First, you just need to search for CluedIn in the Azure Marketplace and follow the installation steps. Second, around 15 minutes later, you will already be able to navigate to CluedIn. But first, let's find the respective URL to your instance. Go to the resource group created by CluedIn, then click on the created public IP address resource and copy that from the user interface. Your URL will be the organization name you added during the installation, dot the IP address you copied, dot sslip.io. The email address and password will be what you used during the installation. That's it. You're in, and optionally, you can follow some of the videos we've prepared to guide you in your journey with CluedIn without writing a single line of code. You can finally explore the most native master data management solution for the Azure ecosystem. Thank you for your time.